Hey y'all, welcome back. So I got another wig review. I think y'all gonna really like this wig. Keep watching and I'll show y'all exactly how I styled her and customized her. So this is the Outre Perfect Hairline wig. She is in the style PH20 and she does come in the color ginger. That is what she is looking like straight out the pack, straight out the box. And I was so shocked about how that texture felt. She definitely was not silky, so that was definitely a plus. As y'all can see, I am on my hair journey, and y'all, in 6 days, that is what my hair did. And I can always do a separate video for my natural hair journey because I can't believe how water and blue magic did this. I'm still in shock. I would definitely keep y'all updated with the process of me growing my hair. I'm not really going for length, but more so fullness and the health of it. That's my main priority with really getting to the nitty-gritty of my hair. Like I told y'all, I went to the doctor maybe a couple months back, and she said I was deficient in iron, and so I definitely wanted to make sure I am taking care of myself from the inside out. Nobody told us this is what the 30s was going to look like, but at the end of the day, I know everyone's experience is different, but I just wanted to just put my 2 cents in the pot, and I hope you guys are able to get what you need and take care of your body. And if that starts with just the health of your hair, so yes, you came here for a wig review. I want to make sure I am expressing the importance of health overall. I'm so sorry about certain parts of the plucking tutorial that it came out really blurry. Apologies on that. Next time when I do another synthetic hair review, I will definitely make sure the camera is focused. This wig definitely reminds me of their other wig from Outre, the True Frontal Peak 701. Baby in ginger, very similar, but I feel like the huge difference is that lace in the texture. I actually prefer the Perfect Hairline series. The texture on this was way less silkier, and she didn't tangle as much as the Peak 701. You know a wig is fire when you get to just dance in mid-install, because baby, I was so happy about this wig.
They cut these layers beautifully in this wig. So overall, how I am feeling about this perfect hairline unit from Outre. The color T. This color is great for anyone. The install was easy, and actually customizing her is really optional. The texture is a light yaki, and she snapped back once I brushed through her. The lace blended well once I applied my adhesive spray and used my complexion product. She does tangle up quite a bit because of her length and texture, and also she did shed in the beginning, but it was at a minimum, so y'all ain't gotta worry about her just shedding like no dog. If I had to rate her out of 10, I would definitely give her a solid 8. A solid 8. You know what? I'm gonna go up at 8.5. 8.5. This wig is a pretty reasonable buy. I bought this from Sam's Beauty. I went on and just ordered it online. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. And like always, thank y'all so much for supporting my channel and for trusting my thoughts and opinions. If you like this video, please make sure you are giving me a big thumbs up. Make sure you are sharing this video. If you love this video and you just want to stay for a while, baby, make sure you are pressing that subscribe button as well. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.